I have to prep some Boral for a job. For those who don't know, Boral is an exterior trim made out of fly ash. It won't rot. It is fairly brittle. It comes, one side is plain, one side is wood grained. I'm going to use my TS55R, and I have the CMT Hardy Plank blade in it. I will tell you, Festool will claim this voids the warranty, so do this at your own risk. The dust guard I'm going to put on the saw mounts on it, slides in place. Bolt front and back that clamps down to hold it. Same way the edge guide mounts. I did leave the anti-splinter guard on, but I removed the bolt so I could get the dust shield to go all the way in. I inserted a piece of backer rod into the kerf on the MFT. Remove the saw and release it. Reset the depth so I don't forget. And I also put the stop, anti-kickback stop on the rail so I don't run through the piece of backer rod I put in. Support infeed is an MFT3. Out is a UG wing from the Festool. It's the right wing, right side wing. I have the extension out and the stop set. Dust extraction is going to be through a 36 AC. I have a bag in it, brand new one, because I want to see how much dust I collected just by weight. I won't be able to tell you a percentage, but I will be able to at least see what the stuff weighs when I'm done. And the 36 AC does have a HEPA filter in it. So we're going to make a few cuts and see how the dust collection is. I do allow the CT to spool up prior to running the cut. I'm going to check to make sure the blade is not too deep. It is not. With that blade in it, there's almost no load on the saw. There was very little, if any, dust loss. Bring the piece down. I'm only going to make 2 cuts on this board. The balance here is only 2 inches longer than I need for the next cut. Do one of the other pieces. Lock the rail. Little hose control. Wood grain side. Pretty clean cut for a 4-tooth blade. So I will add to this video later when I start ripping it and putting notches in it. I'm going to do that on the Festool CMS with TS75 in it, and the CMT cement board, backer board blade for the TS75 will be used.